Unit 5, Homework 1, column number 1. Number 1 says place the following numbers on the number line. So you can see here that I went ahead and put them in order and put them on the number line. Number 2, a cell phone measures 10 centimeters long, 6 centimeters long, and 2 centimeters long. What is the volume of the cell phone? So a cell phone has a shape of a rectangular prism. So the formula we will use is V equals big B times the height. Okay, so we have 10 times 6 times 2, which would be 120 centimeters cubed. Number 3, a circle has a diameter of 29 feet. What is the area? So if the diameter is 29, the radius would be 14.5. And so we can use the radius to find area using our formula pi r squared. So we have pi times the radius, which is 14.5 squared. 14.5 squared is 210.25. We multiply that by pi and we get 660.185 feet squared. Number 4 says find the circumference and the area if the radius of a circle is 9. So if the radius is 9, the diameter is 18. So the circumference equals pi times the diameter. So circumference equals 3.14 times 18, which will give us 56.52. Our area is pi r squared for that formula, so we're going to plug that in as pi times 9 squared. 9 squared is 81. 81 times pi equals 254.34. Number 5, we're finding the surface area of a, we're finding the side length when they're giving us the surface area, which is 600 centimeters squared. So we're going to use kind of our understanding of what surface area is of a cube. We're talking about 6 different sides. So if we have 600 as the entire surface area, if we divide it by 6, it will tell us what the area of one side is. So dividing by 6, we find that 100 units squared is the area of one of the sides. So therefore, if we want to know a side length, we know the side lengths can be found by base times height, and if it's a cube, that means they're the exact same dimension. So if I square root the area of one side, then I can find the length and the width by using the square root value. So the square root of 100 equals 10, so therefore the 10 equals length and the 10 will equal the width. Number 6, look down for the question here. It says a group of 150 dancers are auditioning for a dance show. 62% of the dancers trying out did not get on the show. So how many dancers didn't get on the show? Okay, so we're going to take 150, multiply that by 0.62, and we find that there's 93 dancers that did not get on the show. So to find out how many did get on the show, we can also subtract here. 150 minus 93 would give us 57 dancers did not get on the show. Okay, number 7. 7 is, we're having to divide here because it says if it takes Joey 1/16 of an hour to write one thank you card. So how many cards can he write in 3/4 of an hour? So we're trying to find out how many 1/16 can be fit into 3/4 of an hour. So we're going to divide 3/4 divided by 1/16. We have to keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. We see that it's 3/4 times 16 over 1. And that equals 12 over 1, which is 12. Number 8. To find the measure of angle B, we have to recognize that it's a complementary angle, which means the two angles add up to 90 degrees. So we have 90 minus 65 degrees will give us 25 degrees.